on in, I can't sit back and watch. They praying on my downfall, they gon' wait forever. They playing dirty where I come from, so I turn to a rebel. How the hell I'm showing love again? Hey, I ain't had no OG put me down, I took the hard away. Had to get shit out the mud when I walked out them prison gates. These days, you don't know who playing, you can't play it safe. These niggas super savage, I'm just trying to get the cash. Total nigga had the city, nigga I'm trying to feed my family. And I'm thankful cause I know this shit I'm chasing, it ain't promised. I ain't going big on nobody, see one lose it all. Don't trust nothing, back that back, your right hand, open up your back door. I'm trying to break the family curse, nigga trying to up the scope. We on two different times, we got the same 24 hours, you worry about mine. I ain't gotta move 100 deep, nigga, I'm still me. The fuck I look like picking sides, you ain't this shit for me. Won't catch me in the mix, I'm out here moving with a purpose. The ones I love in this check, the only thing urgent. I'm working too hard for everything that I got.
What it is and what it ain't, folks. Welcome. Episode 23 of Working Wednesdays, classes in session. This is a learning forum that just educates and entertains the average person who's never invested or just started.
Hey, nigga, come on, man. Come on, man. Start your game up. Start the game up, nigga. You better goddamn get with this shit. You better get with this shit. Quit hanging on this shit. You're gonna be left behind, nigga. Boy.
These are starting points and basics simply for the communities by someone who is an educator, college dropout, business owner, a father, and a husband, based out of Atlanta, Georgia, by way the north side of Rome. Here to help you make money moves, especially in the areas of investing. I'm your host, Neil Jones, also known as Neil Jones Invest, and this is $100,000 worth of information. Boom! This is where the fucking money is made. You hear me? Enough, let's get into the show. What's working? The streets is watching. My goal this show is to show you an update of how a healthy investment account, total amount of money, goes up and down and up. Show you how to measure quick and easy if majority of people are scared right now or excited. And how to measure their temper, whether they are calm or anxious. Then I'll show you the proof of concept and portfolio construction I'm building, which I call the inflation portfolio, by playing our game Wine a Week. And what is the point of the game Wine a Week, folks? That is to put it on a scale to see what each company is bringing back. Boom. And last, we will learn how to tell if we're supposed to be invested in a company in the first place and see what and which top 500 companies in America we know, love, and probably use are buried in debt or not. That's our opener tonight. Streets is watching, so folks be careful. It's that time to go over the disclaimer. Use me in this show for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. Take the information from the show to use to further your own research before investing. All investments and trades have significant risks, so consult with a licensed professional and do your own research, folks. When the information is good, great, or unstoppable, remind a friend to tell another friend to like and subscribe while it's free, folks. This is $100,000 worth of information. Boom. You are now working with, but not working with like that, with your host, Neil Jones. First, let's sit down at the table together and check in on the numbers together as a family. So folks, cut this up and say, let's look at the money. Almost like an economist, let's pull up the Fear and Greed Index to see where we at today. But quickly, folks, what is the Fear and Greed Index? It's like a weather forecast for money, measuring how people feel about the economy and stock market, really. Fear is like bad weather. People are scared to be outside and they are selling shares. So that makes the market go down. Greed is like a sunny day. People are excited and outside buying shares, so stocks are going high. If you just learned something about the stock market, or if this is good, great, or unstoppable info, put a yes in the comments for me on YouTube, folks. Folks, my name is Neil Jones. I'm with $100,000 worth of information. My job is to get the information from the people who have it, which is the stock market, to people who need it, which is you, the paycheck worker, a small business owner, or a dancer, barber, scammer, or just money getting men and women. If the shit I'm saying so far makes sense, put a yes in the comments. Do you mind if I give you this information today? Do you mind? Okay. Boom. We're at a 19 today. This is extreme fear. That means that they are scared. People are selling, doubting, second guessing everything. This is where the fucking money is made. Think about it. When stores are having sales, folks rush in. But when the stock market has a sale, most people run away. Why? Because the fear is controlling you. The VIX, or the volatility index, is at 23.25 today. What does that mean? The higher, the more chaos or uncertainty investors feel. Boom. That means, see, most people panic when they see volatility. They move off emotion. They run when things get uncertain. But the people who understand the streets, they prepare, they adjust, they take advantage. This is what the successful white folks done did on Wall Street your whole life and more. This is where the fucking money is made. If you just learned something about the stock market, or if this is good, great, or unstoppable info, put a yes in the comments for me on YouTube. And what is the VIX? It's a nervous meter to measure if majority of the people are calm or anxious. Let's look more into the money. Let's get into the money more. I'm pulling up my account for the people to see the money, look at the money. The inflation portfolio is wine today. If you don't know what we mean when we talk like that around here, it just mean our money is down. Outside of what the other networks say our money should look like. We are in the red. What does in the red mean? It means our money is losing value at the moment. Today I have a gain of $1,132.37 as the bold green number at the bottom. And I have a total of $137,360.33. This is $100,000 worth of information, folks. Check in, like, and subscribe while it's free, folks. Info is important. Next, let's talk about the money. One thing people want, if anything, is real. If I'm ever spending money with someone, or me or my family, spending time with someone, time is the most valuable asset we have as people. For me to spend time more money, it's got to be real. So I'm going to be real and show you if the account is up or down. Every show, every class on Working Wednesday. The Real Investor, Neil Jones Invest. Talk about their money on. Let's play wine or weed. What is wine and what is weed? Wine is when our money in a company is in the red. Losing is value. And weed is when our money in a company is in the green. Money is making money. Okay, wine or weed? Let's talk about the money. First is a ticker symbol. And what is a ticker symbol? A ticker or a ticker symbol is just a nickname for a company on Wall Street to easily find them. So we have a ticker symbol next to a deal or a price before the market moves on it. This is called a strike price. Stock team and close friends, what do we call a ticker symbol next to a strike price? An option contract. Good job, Cornelius. And what is an option? It is a deal we make on a company's future price. So how do we say this? Google or Hey Siri, what is ticker META? Meta Platforms striking $710 by September 19, 2025. All that is what we see right there. Is that good, great, and unstoppable? This week, today, I'm down $5,460 as the bold red number. One. Say yes in the comments for me. These are the basics I need to have to figure out how to make money on my cell phone, folks. Do your own research. Vanguard S&P 500 or VOO. What is this, folks? There is no strike price, so we back on the basics. This is not an option. This is a stock. What is a stock? It's just ownership in a company. I am up on my money today, $1,308.77. My investment is in the green today. Okay, boom. When it's up, it's weed. That's a 9% return for me. Microsoft or MSFT, weed today. PANW or Palo Alto Networks striking $205 by April 17, 2025 is what we see right there, folks. I'm down $1,790 today. So we inside the house on wine tonight. Am I making sense to you yet, folks? Red is down, wine is red. Fear in the market is down. Down or fear, people are inside the house scared. Put yes in the comments. Can I proceed? Yes, indeed. ANET striking $122.50 is wine today. Negative 73%. That's me losing $3,680 today. And I have till September 19th of 2025 to turn this into a profit. Stop me at any moment and tell me whatever it is. Does this make sense, folks? Put yes in the comments and let me know. Or do I need to correct something? Next, Apple Incorporated or ticker AAPL. I'm down $4.30. So folks, is it wine or weed? Yeah, let's talk about the money. It's wine this week. Nvidia, Amazon, Google striking $150 are all wine this week. LLY or Eli Lilly striking a $960 deal by March 21st, 2025 is dead, man. This is most likely going to be the first loser for me this year and the biggest I've taken in this account since I started in April 2024. I'm losing $50,000, man. Move along. Next is Eli Lilly again, but in stock this time. Why don't we? Weed. This investment is 25%, giving me a bill of that thing. I'm up $5,616.30. BlackRock, I'm up $432.54. And JP Morgan or JPM, I'm up $2,123.40 and up 74%. Good job, Cornelius. That was wine or weed this week. Look, if I easily showed you the construction of my account or proof of concept, put a yes in the comments. What's next? Okay, let's pull up and slide on Drill or Trap this week. This is what we're going to break down whether an investment or ideal of investing into a company is cool right now. Just like in drill music or in military combat drills, if it don't work, it's out of here. We don't care if they cool or a trend at the moment. If the hype fake, we're going to spot it and send the blitz. And trap is the opposite. This is when we make money and get locked in with a company. The company is built to last and fundamentally strong to create long-lasting wealth. beep. You get what I'm saying? If you're not an investor, beginner or experienced investor, you can still play along, folks. Say drill in the comments at any time, or say trap at any time in the comments. Let me know if this is good, great, or unstoppable. First is Berkshire Hathaway B shares, or ticker BRK.B. Drill or trap. The company Berkshire Hathaway B total revenue for 2022, $234,121,000,000. 2023, $439,337,000,000. 2024, $424,232,000,000. And what is total revenue? The total amount of money earned from any sales before any expenses are taken out. Ideally, annually, I want increasing total revenue, free cash flow for Berkshire Hathaway. In 2022, $21,886,000,000. 2023, $29,787,000,000. 2024, $11,616,000,000. And what is free cash flow? It's just the cash left over company pays for operations and expenses. It shows how much money a company truly has to grow, pay dividends, or bring down debt. Today, this is Berkshire Hathaway B shares, 1 month, 1 year, and 5-year chart. Last 30 days is up 5.15%. The last 365 days it's up 24.16%. Last 5 years, it's 141.25%, averaging a 28.25%, well, 28.25% return on my money each year. Drill or trap, folks? Trap. You need to write that down. Screen record that. 3, 2, 1. What is free cash flow and what is total revenue? Next is Capital One Financial Corporation. Total revenue for 2022, $34,250,000,000. 2023, $36,787,000,000. 2024, $39,112,000,000. Free cash flow for Capital One for 2022 is $12,875,000,000. 2023, $19,614,000,000. And 2024 is $16,955,000,000. Today, this is the 1 month, 1 year, and 5-year chart for Capital One. It is down negative 8.77% for the last 30 days. It is up 38% in the green in the last 365 days, 5 years ago. That's a 22% return on your money each year till today. Is this good, great, or unforgettable? And last, do I understand this business? And is it number 1 or number 2 in this industry? Yes, I understand the company, but MasterCard and Visa is number 1 in this industry. Discover Card and Capital One are looking to merge, but until then, it is not number 1 or 2. So is Capital One a safe investment today at this time? Drill or trap? Drill. And last, Rockwell Automation, ticker OK. Its annual revenue for 2021, $6,997,400,000. 2022, $7,760,400,000. 2023, $9,058,000,000. 2024, $8,264,200,000. Free cash flow for Rockwell Automation Inc. For 2021, $1,140,000. 2022, $682 million. 2023, $1,214,100,000. And 2024 is $639,100,000. These are all OK's 1 month, 1 year, and 5-year chart. 1 month, 0.83%. In 1 year, just 4.76%. And in 5 years, 48.19%. After asking yourself, do I understand how this company make money? And is it number 1 or 2 in its industry or sector? So what do you come up with if asked if this company is good to invest into today? If you said no for the first question, but yes for the second, your answer should still be no and drill. Kill it. I understand the business, yes, but there's other places I can put my money to get higher return. Is this good, great, or unforgettable information? Let me know in the comments. Let's get Working Wednesdays up and running heavy tonight on YouTube. Let me know how you feel about this segment in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. Is it good, great, or unforgettable? And next, before we end the night, let's catch a link, block, or drop off. Let's see if we can find a perfect match in the market. We say link if we like it, folks. It's the one. We say link if it's number 1 in the game and dominating this competition and it's worth committing to. If not, we'll say block or drop off. We say block if the company not worth hearing from again, like it just ain't got it. And drop off because the company just a little quick smash.
Man, I'm up in the section by myself with 9 bitches, man. And love with 2 of them motherfuckers, man. Come on, them all love me, man. Oh, okay.
Hit the like button and share with 2 close friend folk. Look, a trade, but not a long-term investment. It's just a drop-off. So if we see his money inconsistent, chart is inconsistent, something we like, but we don't like it enough. Okay, so link, block, or drop-off. The company this week is Extra Space Storage, ticker EXR. Extra Space Storage is a real estate investment trust. It operates following segments: self-storage operation and tenant reinsurance. To find out if the company is a link, block, or drop-off, we want the ROIC higher than the company's WACC. See, that would tell us if management is doing great operate with money or not? And if the company has debt, like can it use its operational cash flow to pay it down and no other form of free cash flow? Extra Space Storage return on invested capital, or ROIC, is 4.85 as reported December 2024 for the year. And its weighted average cost of capital is 9.91% reported as December 2024 for the year. And folks, let me start marking money. Screenshot or record this clip. Like on YouTube and subscribe. This is $100,000 worth of info. What is weighted average cost of capital, or WACC? It's what it costs a company to use other people's money. The company's price for using money from investors and loans to grow. In this situation, Extra Space Storage, ROIC, is less than its WACC. So Extra Space Storage is what, folks? A block.
That big block got me on block. That bitch got me on block and everything. Fuck that hoe.
Well, that's all for this form of a class tonight, folks. I thank you for watching to this point. If this show was good, great, or unforgettable, let me know which one in the comments below to keep the Working Wednesdays evolving and becoming bigger and better. Do your part and I'll do mine. Share this right now with 2 people. Like and subscribe, folks. And remember, when we learn together in groups and collaborative learning, people retain the information better, solve problems more effectively, stay motivated, and develop critical thinking skills better. So what better way to do it over wine or weed? The new show in the trap, Working Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern New York time next week, Wednesday, and every Wednesday after that on YouTube. This is Neil Jones Invest with $100,000 worth of information. Boom.